And here, Silly Reviews, got a question for you guys. Quick video. So there will be a review on this, but I bought this for a Father's Day gift, so I would be prepared. I've never seen. Is this weird or what? Look at this giant Amazon sticker on here. This is not something that was purchased from Amazon warehouse. It wasn't it wasn't supposed to be pre-owned or anything. What is going on with this huge sticker on here? I thought maybe it was covering something else up that could give me part of the story. But as I started to peel it, then it reveals void. So it's like a tampering. You know, like if this is peeled, then they know it was opened. Okay, let's get even more weird. This tamper tape that Amazon stuck on here, it's not holding anything closed. You see what I'm saying? It's not anywhere where, the flap comes out. Opening this doesn't fool with that tape at all. So why is this huge, ugly tamper tape, that's what I'm calling it, it seems like it could actually be right. Why is this on here? It really makes this look tacky, right? Huh. But a review on this will be coming up because this is for a Father's Day gift there for old dad. It's an expanding, it gives you more options for your cup holder in your car. Basically, you put a big Stanley in there. You can put a mug in there. Pretty cool. But what we're talking about is, has anyone else received this giant sticker, this tamper, this void sticker on an Amazon item, something, a product from Amazon? I hate it. I really hate it. Doesn't that look ugly? What do you think? Ryan here, Silly Reviews. Thanks for watching.